Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm making a video on the Steelmate C20 7-inch dash camera monitoring system that we sell here at Lockdown Security. And I realized that I didn't actually have a video on this kit, and we've been selling it for about the past 8 to 9 months, almost a year. And exactly what this kit is essentially, like the box says, it's a 7-inch screen dash camera monitoring system. Basically, it's a backup camera kit that includes 2 cameras, and the 7-inch screen has some unique features, one of them being an SD card slot, meaning this is essentially a front and rear dash camera. But what's cool about this kit is it's very inexpensive. It includes 2 cameras, it records, and it's commercial grade, meaning that you can put it on a truck, a van, an RV, for example. So it's a great addition to a commercial vehicle if you're looking to add a backup camera, because for the price of a standard 7-inch kit with a backup camera, you get the front camera and the ability to record. So I just wanted to kind of go over what comes in the kit. So that's the box. This is essentially one of the cameras that comes with it. You can see it's ruggedized. Here's my hand next to it, so it might be a little bit off because my hand looks a little bit gigantic, but essentially I can assure you the camera is quite small. Here is the screen. There I am. Hello, how are you? And I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of other things. If I hit the V1, V2, I can switch the inputs between the cameras, so you could choose to have one full screen camera or a split screen. Obviously, it's got a reverse camera or a reverse light wire input. So if you have it connected to a vehicle and you put it in reverse, it'll switch to camera input 2, which is the reverse camera. If we go to the menu, you're gonna see, it's kind of hard to see because it's in yellow, but essentially you can do a few different things. You can adjust all of the settings, and I just want to go over to one of the other settings here to show you that you can adjust the reversing guidelines. You can adjust the time lapse and monitoring, so you could actually use this in parking mode if you had the vehicle off. You can change the lens settings. You can get rid of that annoying beep. And you can also do speech recognition. So you can actually have this thing listen to your speech, and you can tell it when to record and when not to record. So if you see something crazy happening, you can actually tell it by speaking to it to record video of that event. Now, you're gonna see a bunch of wires back there. That's actually what I'm using to power the camera. It's one of our LDS P6 batteries right here. This is a dash camera battery, but as you can see, it can be used for anything that's running off of 12 volts. And I'm using the LDS P6 battery to essentially show you how this Steelmate C20 works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you or somebody you know is looking to add a backup camera to their vehicle or to their truck specifically, we've got this kit. I just remembered that I forgot to show you the back of the screen. You can see it's made of plastic. It comes with this sun visor already attached. A couple different mounting options. You can see it's got basically a threaded hole here. So if you wanted to do an upper mount, you could do so. And then you've got this platform mount or pedestal mount here, which is adjustable, so you can change the angle. You can see it's got the 4-pin DIN cable extension kit here, another extension kit for the front camera here. This bigger one would be for the rear camera, a bunch of wires and wire harness. And just so you know what 4-pin DIN standard cable is, it's basically that standard or that connector. All the connections are weatherproof. Very simple to install because all the power feeds for the cameras come through that cable along with the video feed, and that's all driven by the screen. So the only thing you actually have to wire up in terms of connections to the vehicle is this screen. So that pretty much sums up the Steelmate C20. If you or somebody you know is interested in adding a commercial grade backup camera to your car, truck, or piece of commercial equipment, sales at lockdownsecurity.ca is our email. Lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. 1-866-824-4118 is our toll-free number. And if you like this video, hit the like button. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, because again, that also goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. I'm going to make another video on the C20's big brother, the C40, which you can see here. I'm hanging up. This is the 10.1-inch big brother with the touch screen to the C20. So if you did want to have a larger screen in your truck or commercial vehicle, we also have the C40 in addition to the C20 that you could look at. What's cool about the C40 is it comes with 4 cameras. So I will go into that in another video, which I will link down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.